I'm going to show you how to make an Easter Bunny wreath out of Dollar Tree items. You're going to need 3 of the Bamboo Wreaths. Flowers of your choice. Do get these longer white ones because they do work better for the bottom, but this is probably too many. Toothpicks, twine, fabric or ribbon, preferably ribbon, glue gun, wire cutters. Now these are not wire cutters, but hey, if you've got these, they're used for cutting down bushes. They work just as well. And scissors. Now I'm taking my toothpicks and putting together both of the bottom wreaths. And these toothpicks actually do help to keep these 2 wreaths securely together. Now all I'm going to do is just grab my scissors and cut off the end sharp pieces of your toothpicks. These toothpicks are quite sharp, so just be careful, but cut off those excess pieces. And you see how well this is holding both of these wreaths together with no hot glue, just toothpicks. See, securely held. Now I'm just going to take twine, and I already did tie a knot around both of the wreaths with this twine. I'm just going to take the twine and wrap it around the wreaths until I get about a ½ inch to 1 inch wide piece around through the middle, and this will help to ensure that your wreath does stay together for longer. Now again, just hot glue that little end piece that you have down. Now it's time to cut your flowers. I do separate all my bunches of flowers and pull all the leaves up to the top of the flowers. Do not cut too much of the stem off because you might end up cutting more than what you needed to cut off. So I just cut them off kind of down towards the bottom part, and then if I need to cut extra as I go along, I will. So now that I have my flowers organized into piles, I'm just going to take those longer white ones, and I never glue anything down until I know that is exactly how I want it. I will take the stem and stick it through the wreath, just like I said, to give that flower a little extra security to be held on, but I will never glue anything down until I know that is how I want them organized on the wreath. Now I'm just taking the purple ones and just kind of laying them. I still have not glued down the other ones yet. I'm just kind of laying them around to see where I think they will look the best. I did also end up adding those pink ones in because it just looks so great for a pop of spring. Running in them as well, so it makes them easier to bend. That is the part that is not going to work with any other type of wreath you buy, because a grapevine one will more than likely just shatter into pieces. They're really not moldable at all. So I use this one since it's already bent up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend it in half. Now this is not going to be easy. It's going to need some force with it to make our ears. Holy cow, this is way harder than they all it on. Oh, my lanta. Okay, so I got the ears. Now this is gonna take like a little bit of molding and stuff, and of course that's not going to stay, so I am going to take the toothpicks and stick them through here and do a little twine around it to hold its shape. But yeah, it's going to break. See, I have a huge mess here, of course, so this will break and you will hear the cracking sounds, but don't let that stop you because this is completely bendable. So as you see here, I did try to do the toothpicks, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you, do not waste your time trying to do the toothpicks. The toothpicks alone will not hold this down because the amount of pressure that you have to use to hold it together it just pops right back up. So do not use the toothpick method on trying to hold the ears together. I did even try to use a glue gun, and I did try to glue it down together. I held it for a minute at least. This did not work either, so I just went back to the way I said I was going to do it. Took a piece of twine, tied a knot around the twine to hold this together, and then just took the twine and wrapped it around again like I did on the bottom part of the wreath, and this actually did end up working out. So just use the twine. Now just glue down your little end piece once again. I am going to use toothpicks in order to hold the bunny ears onto the top part of my wreath. Now you will want to do this because this will hold. Now don't forget, once again, to clip off the little end pieces of your toothpicks. Again, we are going to take twine to secure the bunny ears down onto the top wreath. Just twist it around until you get maybe about an inch wide piece of twine, and then take your glue gun once again and secure your end piece. Since I did have all those extra flowers, I went ahead and doing the top wreath piece too, but I added a little lace purple ribbon to her ears and a burlap ribbon to the center of the two round wreaths, just to add a little something extra. So this is what you should have, and it is so cute for Easter.